Hello everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add products to Shopify from AutoDS. Step 1 is to find a product and search for a product or a supplier marketplace like AliExpress, Amazon, and etc. And copy the product URL or ID, then open AutoDS and add the product. Log in to your AutoDS account, click on the Add Products in the left menu, then select the single product, then paste the product URL or ID. Click on Edit Now to move the product to your drafts. Then, number 3 is optional, is edit the product. AutoDS will fetch the product details and allow you to make edits. Then you can adjust the product file in the title, description, images, prices, and more. And then, once you're done, you save changes. And then lastly, you import to Shopify. And then once you're satisfied with the edits, import the product to your Shopify. And that is it. That is how you import your products from Shopify to AutoDS. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.